Hello everybody, Peter here today with another unboxing of the Western Digital Green 240GB SSD. So this is the Green series from Western Digital, so it's something between the blue one, which is mainly aimed at basic consumers, and the red one, which is professional use. So it's something just in between. It has 545 megabits read capacity, though it says nothing about the write speed, so I expect it to be a lot worse. Though for the purpose that I'm going to use it, for a laptop that isn't that expensive, it's gonna be alright. So as I said, 240 gigabytes, it has a 3-year warranty. Not that I would worry that this would ever break. RAM and SSDs are one of the most resistant pieces of hardware that you can find on the market, as well with CPUs. And on the back there's some writing and a recommendation for you to use a hard drive in combination with this SSD to get as much performance and as much storage as you can get. Because 240 gigabytes for most people will not be enough, but combined with a hard drive, this is going to be plenty storage. I'm gonna open this box, see what's inside. So it's a plastic tray with some, I'd say, legal stuff and warranty and all of the paperwork that you might expect to find. So it has this plastic tab that you need to open, and then you can see everything in all the languages. And here is the SSD locked inside this plastic tab. So as you can see, it's really small. It's a SATA3 SSD in the M.2 form factor. I think it's about like 8 centimeters by 2, but it packs a lot of storage for its size, and it's gonna be really fast. I can't wait to see my laptop boot in a couple of seconds. Thanks for looking at this unboxing today, and see you soon.